Welcome to TeaBag Tarot, everyday messages that spark reflection.
Over the years, I've made a little ritual of gluing these TeaBag messages into my journal and creating a page of art around them. Each one becomes a reminder of what's true for me in that moment. Fear is forcing you to give up. Call upon your heart's courage to continue. Fear is part of being human. It warns us, but too often it silences us. It whispers, "You're not ready. You'll be judged. It isn't worth the risk." But courage doesn't want to wait for fear to disappear. Courage whispers, "You don't have to be ready. You just have to begin." Fear says, "Rejection will hurt." Courage says, "Every step forward is already a victory." And I say, "Bite me, fear. I got this." So you can see in my watercolor work here, there's no rhyme or reason to it. I'm just putting the colors where I feel they go. It's not a fancy brush, not a mixed color. It's just your primary colors. But look, it's coming. It's going to be so nice once it's done. A woman called Dorothy Bernard once wrote, "Courage is fear that has said its prayers." Isn't that beautiful? Sometimes courage is just one small ritual that reminds us we can begin again. And isn't it true that the very moment you decide to do something new, something that stretches you, well, that's when the inner critic shouts the loudest. Wait, play it safe. Don't risk it. Lately, I've been speaking with some women, and two of them recently told me that they're about to leap into something new. One is leaping into something new in her business. Another is leaping into something new in her personal life. And both told me the same thing. "I'm scared." And I told them, "It's normal. Of course you're scared. And that's proof that you're standing on the edge of something important." Fear always shows up when you're expanding. But you don't have to let it take the wheel. You can carry it with you and still step forward. I'm reminded of Joe Dispenza's words. Believe, behave, and become. He says, believe in your vision and behave in ways that bring you closer to it. In other words, take action. And in time, you become that vision. He also says, overcome until you become. I love that phrase. That is courage in action. Holding the vision of your true self and overcoming every fear, every doubt, until that version of you stands right in front of you. So, let's step back a second. To help you along, I created a free guide to help you turn these reflections into a creative practice. It's called Find Your Calm, a guide to watercolor journaling. You'll find the link in the description below. You could be standing at the edge of something new, wondering if you can. But remember this, you don't need to have it all figured out. You only need enough courage to take the next step. One tiny step, that's all. Think in terms of the minimal, viable step you can take. Louise Erdrich wrote, "You don't have to be strong every day, but you do have to keep going." She penned words of encouragement for all of us who may be standing at the edge of something new, wondering if we can. So we remember, we don't need to have it all figured out. We only need enough courage to take the next step. That's today's TeaBag Tarot. If you're ready to keep going, I've linked a free watercolor journaling guide below. And remember, fear will always be there, but so will your courage. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.